Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So, like I've been saying for a long time now, this is extremely clearly a 1, 2, 3. We are in a wave 3 right now, and there's still no proof that wave 3 is over. And like I've been saying, wave 3s can extend a lot further than you may think. There's really no reason to say this might not go all the way up to like the 261.8, right around $3,000 before it goes down and makes a wave 4 and back up for the wave 5. So the wave 3 isn't over until we see proof that the wave 3 is over. Taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this is the 1, this is the 2, and this is all wave 3. No breaker structure, no Fibonacci bounce, no lower high tells me that we're still actively in the wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we got the trend within a trend. This is a trend for the wave 3. So we got a 1, we got a 2, and this is still all higher highs, higher lows. Even on this time frame, we do not have a breaker structure. We do not have a Fibonacci bounce. We do not have any reason whatsoever to say that the wave 3 is over yet. There's really nothing stopping this thing from continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. Now on the 4 hour time frame, since our last end of a crescent down here, we do have the shape of a 5 wave trend. We got a 1, 2, 3. Now, this may end up being like a subdivision right here, like a 1, 2, 3 of 3. So, even on this time frame, I definitely do not see any reason to think the wave 3 is over. And the fact that we went past this Fibonacci level tells me there's a pretty good chance we'll go to the next Fibonacci level, which the next Fibonacci level is right around the 2818, 2816 area. So, like I keep saying, the trend is not over until the market says it's over. There's no reason to think that this thing may not just keep on going up. So definitely still very bullish and definitely only looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, a lot of the times you do get a retest of Fibonacci levels after the break. So I wouldn't be surprised if it did go down and retest this area. But even if it does go down, we still have to realize that every move we see to the downside, just like these moves down here, may very likely just be nothing more than a crescent to the last wave up. So I would put my Fibonacci retracement on here. I would still be looking for longs. I would still be looking for 3 wave pullbacks to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. I personally would not be trying to go short even as a scalper because we are in a wave 3 on the weekly monthly. And then we're in a subdivision wave 3 on the 4 hour and daily time frame. So we're in a wave 3 of wave 3, and wave 3 is supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. I definitely am not going to try to short against the biggest, strongest wave of a trend, which is a wave 3 of wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.